A michelada is a popular Mexican drink that combines beer with lime juice, assorted sauces, spices, and peppers. It's tangy, a little spicy, and incredibly refreshing on a hot day. You will need the following ingredients. 1 bottle of light Mexican beer, chilled 2 ounces lime juice, freshly squeezed. 2 dashes hot sauce, Valentina or Cholula recommended. 2 dashes Worcestershire sauce. 4 ounces tomato juice or clamato, chilled. A pinch salt. A pinch ground black pepper. A pinch chili powder. For equipment you will need pint glass, mixing spoon. Optional, plate for rimming glass. Optional, lime wedge. Optional, salt or tajin for rimming glass. Here are the instructions. If desired, rim your glass with salt or tajin. To do this, rub a lime wedge around the rim of the glass and dip it into a plate of salt or tajin. Add the lime juice to the glass. Add the hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, and chili powder. Pour in the tomato juice or clamato and give it a good stir. Slowly pour the chilled beer into the glass, making sure it doesn't overflow. Stir gently to combine without losing too much carbonation. Garnish with a lime wedge if desired and serve immediately. Michelada is derived from the Spanish words Michela helada, which roughly translates to my cold beer. It's a staple in Mexican cuisine and often enjoyed as a cure for hangovers.